Oh hey, thanks for dropping in. I'm Isaiah, welcome to another Maker Monday. Today I'm just going to teach you how to sew, nice and simple. Going to sew by hand and sewing with the sewing machines. Let's get right into it. Alright, so a quick overview of the anatomy of our sewing machine. Here's where you load the main thread in. The thread gets passed through a variety of channels and makes its way into the needle. This is where you've got your foot. In the back we have a latch that lowers and raises the foot. Over here on this side we have a little knob that moves up and down that actually moves the position of the needle. On the top we've got some varying knobs. This can alter the position of the needle. We've got some that change the tension of the thread. We've got some that change the width of the stitching, and then we have some that in combination can change your stitching pattern. Now locate your foot pedal, which will activate the sewing machine. And let's go over how to actually sew using the machine. Now that that's all set, we're going to simply take the hole, make sure we hold it nice and taut in each hand. I like to pass my hand through the center section of the sewing machine here. Keeping that hole nice and flat, we're going to place it directly underneath the path of the needle. And then we're going to put the foot down. Putting the foot down is going to clamp the fabric in place, and there's little metal teeth down there that actually just pull the fabric through, but you do want to keep both hands on the piece as you're sewing it. Then, keeping your hands there, making sure that the foot is down, once again, just to double check that. Things will go terribly wrong if the foot is not down. Then you slowly press on the foot pedal. It's just like driving a car. The faster you want the needle to go, the harder you press down on the foot pedal. So nice and slow. And you can see it's pulling the fabric this way, but I actually want it to go this way because the hole extends further that way. So there's a little reverse knob on the top of the machine. I'm gonna hold that, and as long as I'm holding it, it'll push the fabric the opposite direction while I sew. And then would you look at that? No more hole in your favorite Tabasco pants. Now you're ready to go meet somebody's parents. That wraps up another Maker Monday. I hope that taught you everything you need to know about sewing so you can come in and work on your next project, hem your pants, or even fix some holes in your clothes. Thanks for watching, and tune in next week for another Maker Monday. Thanks.